morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm naturally Ray, or you can just call me Ray. Now, if you know you watch my videos back to back and have not subscribed, why not? Make sure you subscribe and hit your notification bell so you don't miss when I upload future vlogs and videos where I talk about health, fitness and lifestyle. So we're in February, the best month of the year, if I may say so myself. But I hope y'all have been doing good. Y'all know, if you've been following me for some time, if you're subscribed, you're keeping up with my videos for the year. This year is definitely the year where I really get into my fitness era, my healthy girl era. I mean, I know it's a journey, but I really do feel that this year is going to be the catalyst for me moving forward and improving everything. Anyway, I am doing a what I eat in a day type of video, a full day of eating. I'm gonna have breakfast. I want to prioritize protein because I know today is gonna be a very long day for me, so I'm gonna have a lot of protein. I'm having eggs, I'm having turkey bacon, I'm having yogurt, all that is protein, and of course my fiber, my healthy fats, etc. And then I have to run a little bit of errands, nothing major, and then come back home later for lunch. So let's get breakfast started. Breakfast, we have our eggs. I put some tomatoes in it, spinach, so I have my turkey bacon, my protein, my healthy fats, my avocado. I have some fiber in there. I have my greens, and I'm gonna put a little bit of sauerkraut in here. I think I would have shown you all the local brand that I usually buy. I am actually thinking about making my own sauerkraut because it's easy to make. And it's gonna be way cheaper because this is expensive. But sauerkraut is awesome for your gut microbiome, or if you want, you could have kimchi, which is really good as well. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that there. Let me show you. Let me see if I put it right here so you can see. Is it even in focus? Y'all, I don't even think it's focusing on my food. Anyway, I'm also going to have this ginger shot. I would have shown you, I think it would have been maybe last week's video, or maybe 2 videos from now. I'm not too sure which one I'll be uploading before. But I made, 2 weeks ago, I made turmeric, ginger, and lime wellness shots. And then I made some ginger wellness shots. So this is the ginger. It has ginger, orange. Oh, this is full to the top. Oh la la. Ginger, orange, and lime in this one. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm gonna pour this over the sink because I think I'm gonna throw this down. Wait. Yeah, I was right. Okay, so I have my ginger shot here. This is maybe just about 4 ounces, and I'll be honest, I don't even think I'm gonna make that yogurt, my yogurt parfait, because this might actually be kind of filling for me. This is a lot of protein. You know, protein keeps you satiated. I have my fiber, I have my fats. So I don't think I need to have my yogurt parfait. Maybe depending on how I feel when I come back from running errands, I may have like a really small bowl as a snack before I have lunch. But we'll see how that goes. Anyway, I'm gonna have breakfast, and I don't even think I will really take you all with me to run errands. It's really just a couple things I need to get, and then I'll see you all for lunch. So I'm halfway through eating breakfast, and I decided that I wanted some berries. So I cut up, this is just 2 strawberries here, maybe a quarter cup of blueberries. So I decided to have this and just not add any more protein, like more yogurt or add any granola or anything else. So I'm gonna have my berries with my breakfast and then I'll head out. Alright, so I'm back home. I ran my errands and y'all, I was contemplating maybe just vlogging just the 1 or 2 things I had to do, and I just decided let me just finish and come home. And y'all, I looking at my lens and I damaged my lens. I don't even know how it get damaged. I'm looking at myself in my viewfinder and it seems to be okay. But I guess y'all, if anything looks awkward, something happened with my lens in transit, in running errands. I guess I would only really know what it looks like when I am editing. So yeah, just a heads up on that. But anyway, I am going to make lunch. I am doing shrimp tacos. That is not a big surprise. I know a lot of you all fed up see me make shrimp tacos on my vlogs. The thing is, right, I actually told myself for 2024, I was like, Rianne, you have a couple of cookbooks, try and utilize them a little more. Now here's the thing, right, when I started like my fitness journey, weight loss journey a couple years ago, I had meal plans customized for me, so I basically stuck to it. I had a good couple of them. I didn't count calories, but right now I guess accustomed and I think I know how to average the amount of protein and fiber and fats and fruits and everything that I should be having to pretty much have a healthy and balanced diet. So with that being said, now I know today's an exception. I am doing shrimp tacos, which I always do, but I decided that for every what I eat in a day or full day of eating video, I'm going to try at least something new. Not today, because I didn't really plan for it today. So maybe the end of the month, or maybe next month, when I do another one of these videos, I'll try something new. I actually was thinking about doing shrimp fried rice and something else, but then I want to use my rice for when I make my salmon later for dinner. So yeah, anyway, so let's make some shrimp tacos. Ingredients I put in my tacos vary from time to time. For today, I'm putting in some spinach, sweet peppers, a yellow one. I'll cut up a little bit of the red onions. Here I have some microgreens. Is this focusing? Okay, some microgreens here. I have an avocado. Actually, it has a little piece of avocado from breakfast. I might maybe put that in instead. And then I have my salsa. Sometimes I will put like some plain Greek yogurt on top, but the yogurt that I have, it's Greek yogurt, but it's not plain, so I definitely won't use that because it'll be too sweet. So I'm gonna chop all of these ingredients up and make my tacos. shrimp tacos. I'm having kombucha. This is the strawberry. It's the same brand from the sauerkraut that I had this morning. Strawberry is my fave. Of course, it's really good for your gut health, etc. I was actually watching a couple of videos. This was last year, maybe like November, maybe October last year, on how to make kombucha, and I was actually contemplating also making my own kombucha. But we'll see how it goes. I definitely think I will be doing my sauerkraut because that is really easy, and based on the YouTube videos that I saw about how to make kombucha, I think I should be able to do it. But we'll see how it goes. So, but I really love their kombucha. Maybe mine might be better. We'll see. Anyway, so I'm going to have my tacos. Yo, those tacos were so good. Like, oh, it was so good. But I have a little bit of a sweet tooth, so I decided to have a brownie. And I know this is definitely not part of my customized meal plan, but sometimes, you know, you have a little extra balance. So I have a brownie here. I don't even know, can y'all see it? Is it in focus? I think it's in focus. Anyway, so I'm gonna have this brownie now. In all honesty, I would have wanted to have maybe like 1 or 2 scoops of ice cream to go with it, but I don't have ice cream, so I decided to do my yogurt, and I am so happy. Well, I could always mix yogurt, sorry, I could always mix honey if it was plain Greek yogurt, but I actually have vanilla flavored yogurt, so I'm like, I'm gonna put it on. So I'm gonna have that right now for a little snack. I'm having like an early dessert until I make dinner later. Okay, y'all, this looks so good. Oh la la, y'all, this looks so good. Ooh, oh la la. Actually, hold on, let me taste the brownie alone because this brownie lash. Hold on. Okay, the brownie alone actually tastes better. I'm not saying that the yogurt tastes bad. The yogurt tastes good, but the brownie, oh yeah. Okay, let me eat that yogurt separate. Alright, so let me enjoy this and I will catch up with you all later. So for dinner, I'm having salmon. I use the same seasons that I used when I did the shrimp. So everything that I put earlier for lunch is what I use here for my salmon. I'm gonna put this in the air fryer for about 12 to 14 minutes max and have this with my broccoli and brown rice. Really good dinner. You all know salmon is one of my faves. You know what, let me know in the comments if there are any, I guess, unique shrimp recipes or salmon recipes that I should try. I definitely have my cookbooks, I will look through it, but maybe let me know if you'll see any interesting things on Pinterest, on TikTok, on Instagram. You can maybe let me know. And yeah, if you enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day vlog, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe, hit your notification bell so you don't miss when I upload my video for next week. And as always, try your best to become the healthiest version of yourselves. Bye guys.